Brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Please like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Honoring memories is a heartfelt journey, particularly when it comes to sorting through a loved one's belongings. It can be both a step towards healing and a way to preserve the essence of who they were. Begin this process with gentleness and intention. First, create a quiet, comfortable space where you can reflect and connect with your feelings. It's okay to pause and breathe whenever you need to. Start with one room or area at a time rather than overwhelming yourself with the entire house. As you sort, consider grouping items into categories: keep, donate, and undecided. This helps you focus and make decisions gradually. Sentimental items like photographs, letters, or keepsakes may stir emotions. Take your time with these. They are tangible pieces of cherished memories. Remember, you don't have to part with everything. Choose a few special items that truly capture their spirit to keep as mementos. For items you're undecided about, create a temporary holding area. Time can offer clarity, helping you decide later. It's also perfectly all right to seek help from family or friends. Sharing this intimate task can ease the weight of decisions. As you come across certain objects, stories and memories may flood back. Allow yourself to relive these moments. You could even journal these feelings as a tribute to your loved one. For donating, select charities that resonate with your loved one's passions. Knowing their belongings are supporting a cause they cared for can bring comfort. If you're keen on preserving more memories, consider creating a shadow box or scrapbook. These projects are not only therapeutic, but they also serve as personalized tributes. Be patient with yourself during this process. There is no right or wrong timeline, only the one that suits your heart. Celebrate the love and life of those who have passed by, cherishing the memories they left behind. In the end, this journey is about honoring not just their memory, but also the legacy of love they have imparted. This video was brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and check out all of our other videos.